Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to check if Kubernetes is deployed and running in your environment and how to use the kubeconfig file to access node details from an Ubuntu server, specifically when using the Utho Cloud platform. Let's begin with the first part, verifying whether Kubernetes is deployed and running. In this initial step, I'm going to check the status of Kubernetes on our cluster. As you can see, I'm running the kubectl get nodes command. This command will help us see a list of all the nodes in the Kubernetes cluster along with their current status. If Kubernetes is successfully deployed, we should see the nodes listed along with their names and the status showing ready. If the status is anything else, such as not ready, then there may be an issue with the Kubernetes cluster or some of its nodes. It's always a good practice to verify the health of your cluster nodes before performing any other operations or deployments. This ensures that your infrastructure is stable and ready for workloads. As you can see, I'm running the export. This step ensures that the system knows where to find the configuration file for Kubernetes. It's important that you specify the correct file path where your kubeconfig is stored. Once that's done, I'm going to use the kubectl get nodes command again to see the current status of the nodes in the cluster. Now that we've properly set the kubeconfig, Kubernetes will authenticate and show us the details about the nodes in our cluster. Here you'll notice that the command output shows information such as the node names, statuses, roles, and ages of the nodes. A ready status next to each node means that they are online and functional, while other statuses might indicate potential issues that need attention. One thing to note here is that when working with Kubernetes, especially when managing clusters on cloud platforms like Utho, it's essential to regularly check the health and status of your nodes. This ensures smooth operations, and it's particularly important if you're scaling your applications or performing any maintenance tasks on your infrastructure. Finally, once we've confirmed that the nodes are up and running, we can proceed with deploying workloads, scaling services, or even troubleshooting if necessary. In summary, we've learned how to verify the deployment of Kubernetes by checking node statuses, and we've also explored how to work with the kubeconfig file on an Ubuntu server to interact with the Kubernetes cluster. We perform these steps on the Utho Cloud platform, which provides a streamlined and scalable environment for managing Kubernetes clusters. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Kubernetes user, these tools and steps are foundational for interacting with and managing your Kubernetes clusters. That's it for this demo. I hope you found this useful and that it gives you a clear understanding of how to verify the status of Kubernetes and interact with your nodes using the kubeconfig file. Thanks for watching.